Above the world so high, where earth meets the sky, floats a vision of wonder, a canvas of white and thunder. Behold the clouds they roam, drifting and dancing in their home, a fleeting beauty ever changing, a spectacle so mesmerizing. Other time they gather, thick and heavy like a feather, a warning of stormy weather, a display of nature's power. But mostly they are a delight, a playground of pure delight. So let us gaze upon the sky and watch the clouds go by. Let them inspire us to dream and to see the world in a different theme.